You can import people in bulk into Surfy. From the home page, click on Collaborator, People, Import People. We will be able to get help with importing data for the people at the top right. By clicking on it, you can download the import template. It arrives in our downloads, and if I open it, I'll have all the necessary columns to re-import the information into Surfy. The Surfy identifier is not to be entered in this case, since it is Surfy that will create it when the person is imported. On the other hand, you can enter the first name, last name, email, title, screen reference, computer reference, telephone, landline, mobile, number, and any information necessary for the import. If I enter a first name, a last name, I will be able to enter a number and an email, for example. We will now be able to import only the columns that have been filled. For that, I'm going to select the corresponding columns, which I copy and paste into a new sheet so that I have the useful columns grouped into a single block. I can, of course, have as many rows as I want here, and I'm going to select all of my rows with the column headers. I go back to Surfy, and there I will be able to paste my information to first compare it with the Surfy base. I compare. Then he told me that there was a new person with the email and the number. I will be able to create all the people who have been introduced with the Excel file by clicking on Create All. The copy has been made, and now in my list of collaborators, I have the people integrated with their number and all the corresponding information. The import help also allows me to choose the elements I want to re-import. By copying the last name, I can paste it into a blank file and thus obtain column methods in order to populate them with the information to be imported. I can then fill in the columns and import the information back into Surfy. If you want to update people's information in Surfy, you need a key to find people. The key is not necessarily the first and last name, since there can be errors, there can be accents, there can be hyphens, there can be upper or lower case letters. So we need keys to reconcile people. This key is important to avoid duplicates. These keys can be the registration number. It's the first reliable key that can be used. From the moment we have entered the people with their number, we will be able to use the number to find the person. You can use email, which is also a single field. The full name may be used, but there must be no difference between the different nomenclatures. The only number or email or incomplete can be used to find a person in the list and update it.